Kids, you might be surprised to hear me say this, but I'm worried about water. It's been on my mind a lot lately. Can you tell? Do you ever think about water? Have you ever thought to yourself, when will it rain again? Or will this crazy hot weather ever go away? Believe me, I have. Sometimes I wonder if people still care about water. Some days when I'm out walking, I see sprinklers running in the middle of the day when the sun is at its hottest. That wastes lots of water. Water evaporates faster in the heat of the day, and that means that it'll take twice as much watering just to get anything on your lawn. And would you believe that I see sprinklers watering the sidewalks? The sidewalk won't grow no matter how much you water it. Some people even forget to turn off their garden hoses, letting all that water just drain into the gutter and down the street. That's a lot of wasted water. Kids, remember, whether you're using water inside or outside your house, it's important to save water and use it wisely.
Do we water in the heat of the day? No way, no way. Do we leave the water on and walk away? No, that's what I say. Do we brush our teeth and let the water run? That wastes water by the ton. If we go out and play in the sun, don't let the water run. There's enough water for you and me. There always has been, there always will be. And we know that water is not free, so we turn it off when we're through. Do we use the toilet for our trash? Heck no, that wastes cash. Throw your floss and Q-tips into a can. Do it like Dowser Dan. Do we take a shower all day long? No, I tell you, that's just wrong. Take your shower while you sing this song, then turn it off when you're through. We have to save water every day. That's what we say, that's what we say. We turn the water off before we walk away. We turn it off when we're through. That's what we do. We turn it off when we're through. That's what we do. We turn it off when we're through.